Hello friends, my name is Nico. In this video, we're going to make a Flappy Bird game. Okay, first of all, come to studio.code.org. After coming here, you need to make your account. If you already have, you need to sign in. After signing in, you will come to my dashboard, click on Create, View All Projects. After coming here, you will see some projects over here. View full list. Yeah, done. And click on this Flappy. Okay, after that, we are going to add some. These are our blocks, and this is a workspace, and this is where we will test our game. Okay, so let's add some blocks to workspace. It is showing run. Means when run button will be pressed, what it should do. It should first of all flat amount, flat and normal amount when it is clicked. Okay, and we can even add a sound to it, wind. Okay, we need to set a speed because without speed it can't move. And we can add a scene also if we want anything else, and set a player. You can change your obstacle also, a pipe or anything else. Okay, and you can change your ground to be underwater to random. Okay, underwater and yeah, and you set a dash. Yeah, means how much gap you want in that obstacle, a normal gap or very large gap or very small. Very small will be very complicated and very large will be very easy game. Okay, when our bird hit an obstacle, what it should do? When a bird hit an obstacle and the game. When it passes that obstacle, it should score a point. When it hits the ground, it's again hit. And now we're done with these blocks, and it's time for testing them. It's working fine. We can even rename our project like like Flappy. Okay, Flappy. Save it. Now this is done. Now if you want to share your project with your friends or with your family, click the share button and copy this code. You need to copy this code. After copying that code, you can share it via WhatsApp, mail, anything you want. Thanks for watching our video. Share, like, subscribe our channel.